Welcome back. I'm Tiffany Meyer. The latest on the Trump administration's efforts to combat illegal drug trafficking by striking drug vessels in South American waters. Secretary of State Marco Rubio briefing lawmakers on Capitol Hill, sparking mixed reactions. Some say the strikes are saving American lives. Others say the tactics are too harsh and not transparent. NTD's Washington correspondent Jack Bradley has the details.
Secretary of State Marco Rubio briefing lawmakers behind closed doors on Wednesday about the recent drug boat strikes off the coast of Venezuela in the Caribbean and off the coast of Colombia in the Pacific. Now, this briefing was to leaders from both chambers of Congress and both parties. There's been a mixed bag of reactions from lawmakers coming out of the briefing saying that the Trump administration needs congressional approval for these strikes, while others say that the administration is saving Americans' lives.
The president really ought to be congratulated for saving the lives of young American people. He should be thanked by the many parents who won't even know that they won't have to bury kids prematurely. They're doing good work. They're doing it lawfully.
But the notion on the kinetic strikes without actually interdicting and demonstrating to the American public that these are carrying drugs and they're full of bad guys, I think is a huge mistake, and I think it undermines the confidence in the administration's actions.
The strikes target illegal drug traffickers bound for the U.S., and there have been several over the past few months, killing dozens of narco-terrorists on board. Earlier this year, the Trump administration doubled the reward for information leading to the arrest of Venezuelan leader Nicolas Maduro to $50 million. They accuse Maduro of organizing cartels to traffic drugs like fentanyl into the U.S. Meanwhile, Maduro is feeling the heat. The Washington Post is reporting that Maduro is contacting the Chinese Communist Party, Russia, as well as Iran, their regimes there, for military support in the form of equipment and closer military-to-military cooperation. NTD was unable to independently verify this, but last month, the U.S. sent its best aircraft carrier to the Caribbean near Venezuela. That's the USS Gerald R. Ford, which was moved away from the Mediterranean to the Caribbean, giving a clear signal about the Trump administration's priorities. President Trump says that the CIA is currently doing covert operations within Venezuela, though at this time there's currently no plans for land strikes on the South American country. Reporting from Washington, D.C., Jack Bradley, NTD News.